Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to become a content creator. So if this is your first time watching my video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. So the first thing you know how to do is become a successful content creator. It involves several strategic steps. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you navigate the process. So in my video, I'll be showing you how to become a content creator and the steps needed to become a content creator. The second The number one first thing you have to do is you have to make sure you have to identify your niche. So identifying your niche is the first thing you have to do. So identify your niche. Number one first thing you have to do is research trends. What do I mean by niche? Is like you have to know that what type of niche do I want to base on, or what do I want to create, or what do I want to focus on. That's the number one first thing. Niche is just like you looking for people who are in the same category, or what you know. There are some things that you can't just go into, well, I want to become a content creator and just start creating several videos or stuff like that. You have to focus on one niche. So we have a different niches out there. So you have money niche, motivation niche, pet niche, so like that. And there are many like that you can also try and create niche. Maybe you are good at some so specific niche like that, so you can start creating your own niche like that and start focus on it. So the number one is just like the research trends. Use tools like Google Trends, social media insights, and computer analysis to understand what's popular and in demand. So that's the number one thing you have to know. Just like making use of the research trends, Google Trends, social media insights, and like that. So I make sure that you are in the same category with people who are with the same people who are in the same category of your niche. Like maybe you are trying to create, maybe you are into one niche now. Make sure that you have people around you that you are inside, you are still in the same niche like that. So another one is personal interest. Align your niche with something you are passionate about to sustain long term insight interest. For this personal interest, I would like it to maybe like based on something that's like evergreen, is something that keeps going viral forever. So that's one thing I would like it to focus on. Because try to focus on something that is going to maybe when people watch it today, they won't be able to watch it again. Do you get what I'm saying? Something that will keep repeating itself. That's one thing that I would like it to try and focus on, like motivational. People will try watching it again because people are always looking for something that's going to motivate them out there. You get what I'm saying? So another one is audience needs. Like consider what value you can provide to your audience within your choosing niche. So you have to make a search like what do I need, what do I want to provide for my audience out there? That what will keep them coming to my page, like coming to my DM to want to know more about my niche. Do you get what I'm saying? So that's another thing that you have to focus on again. So develop number two is develop a content strategy. Yeah. You have to develop a content strategy. Define goals, set clear, measurable goals like followers, engagement, and revenue. As maybe you just started now, maybe you don't have a followers, then you can set a goal for yourself like I want to reach so amount of followers in this month. Like what do I need to get to this amount of followers like of this month. Maybe you want to reach like 2K in the next 3 months or engagement like that, stuff like that. How can revenue like that? How to make income. So another one is content types. Decide on types of content you create, videos, blog or podcast. So you have to decide on the type of video you want to create like that, like content. So you can't just create any content and just put it on your page like that. No. You have to know that what type of content people are willing to watch out there. You get. So another one is content calendar. So you have to plan your content schedule, like including topics, formats, and posting frequently. So posting frequently really helps a lot because without you posting frequently, people won't know what's going on. Do you get? Maybe just post a post. Maybe you posted a post today like this, then another next 3 days you did the same thing. So as you can see, people won't even notice that there's someone out there trying to impart something into their life out there. So do you get? So you have to make sure you keep doing the thing consistently, that frequently like that. It keeps happening every day. So that's how to do the content calendar. So the number three there is choose your platforms. So determine which platform best suits your niche. Maybe it is YouTube for video, Instagram for images, TikTok for short videos. You get? Maybe like all these marketing now, they have like all these content creators out there. Like let me just make use of Brashagi for example. So no, Brashagi now he has a TikTok, he has an Instagram account, YouTube channel, TikTok or anything. So you can he creates short videos for like TikTok, for YouTube. You create like a long video for people to watch. So and for Instagram, you just create like maybe 3 minutes clip video like that and stuff like that. So you just like watch the remaining video on my YouTube channel. Do you get it? So that's another way. So you have to know which platform best suits your niche like that. So multi-channel strategy. Consider a cross-platform presence to maximize reach. So consider a cross-platform presence to maximize reach. So you can also do this cross-platform like that. So another one is understand algorithms. So understand the algorithm is very helpful because it's just like you watching, learn how each platform algorithm works to optimize content for better visibility. So when people start watching your video, the same video will keeps appearing to them if they are interested in watching more of the video like that. So they keep repeating, they keep giving them like suggestion video that are related to what you just finished watching. That's how the algorithm. So you have to learn how the each platform algorithm works. So for Instagram now, if you finish watching a video and you're interested, like maybe you are watching a motivation video, so and basically like if you keep giving the person like suggestion video for the person to watch like that. So that's how the algorithm work on Instagram. Same goes to like YouTube. Like if you let me just give you an example. Maybe you watch a movie, maybe you watch an Indian film now. So and they see that you are interested that what the hours you used to watch this Indian film is very long and you are very interested and you really like the video, they will give you another suggestion video that relates to what you just finished watching. That's how the algorithm work. So another one is create high quality content. Always create an high quality content because it works. Because you creating high quality content is another way to get more engagement and followers for people. So invest in equipment, obtain the necessary equipment, camera, microphone, editing software, and all like that within your budget. So learn skills. Develop skills in content creation such as filming, editing, graphic design, and copywriting. So, so before you can become a content creator like that, you have to learn all this because not just like maybe you have to learn all of them, but there are some main things that you need to learn. For like graphic design now, you have to learn about graphic design and copywriting, stuff like that. So another one is consistency. Ensure your content quality and style remain consistent across all posts. So as you can see, so that's one thing I said. So you have to be consistent in whatever you are doing on Instagram, like maybe whether or whatever platform you are using, you have to be consistent on it. So create a unique identity, develop a brand voice, logo, and visual style. So that's and then for like LinkedIn now you can add a voice to it. So logo and visual style like that. So your bio and description, write a company bio and description for your channels. So whatever page you are using, maybe you are using Instagram platform or YouTube platform or any social media platform you're using, make sure you write a comparable description for it. So professional presence, set up professional looking profiles with contact information and links to your other platforms. So that's another way. So the fourth one, the sixth one is engage with your audience. So always engage with your audience sometimes. So respond to comments, interact with your audience through comments, messages, and social media posts. Community building. Foster a community by encouraging discussions, hosting live sessions, and creating interactive content. So that's another way. So user feedback. Collect and act on feedback to improve your content and approach. So that's another way. So the seventh way is promote your content. Social media marketing. Share your content on various social media platforms and stuff like that. So another one is collaborations. So collaborate with other creators or influencers in your niche to expand your reach. So another way on how to promote your page, like meeting people who are in the same meeting your people who are in the same niche together to help you expand your to expand your reach. So SEO, search engine optimization. Optimize your content for search engines using relevant keywords, tags, and descriptions. So eighth one is monetize the content. So it's like how to monetize the content is not like as revenue enable ads on platforms like YouTube or through blog network. So sponsored content. Partner with brands for sponsored content, so sponsor posts or videos. That's another when you reach an amount of followers, then you see that you are started growing fast and you're going viral. Like that, there will be some people who come to you that you need sponsor. They need you to help them with sponsor posts or videos. That's another way you can generate revenue for yourself. So merchandise, create and sell your own merchandise like that. So that you have something you're trying to promote out there, so you can just sell it to people. So affiliate marketing and commissions by promoting products or service. So that's another way you can earn money. Affiliate marketing. So the ninth one is like analyze and adapt. Analytics tools use platform analytics to track performance metrics like views, engagement, and demographics. So adjust strategy. Modify your content strategy based on data insights to improve performance. Now stay updated. Keep up with the industry trends and platform updates to remain relevant. So always make sure you keep up to date with what's going on in your industry, like maybe the niche you are in. So to know what's going on, the update that is trending. So another one is maintain balance and stay committed. Time management, balance content creation and personal life and other responsibilities like that. So avoid burnout. Take breaks and set realistic goals to avoid burnout. So do not stress yourself. Just want to focus. No, always take breaks and set realistic goals to avoid burnout sometimes. So continuous learning. Stay curious and keep learning new skills and techniques. That's another way you can keep improving yourself. So resource and tools. So the resource and tools just like content planning. This is for number is just like Trello, Asana, and Google Calendar. Just like something that will keep reminding you. So these are just like reminding tools that you can make use of. So design. You can make use of Canva, Adobe, Adobe Creative Cloud, or Figma, anyone you like. So I think Canva is the best one for starter like you if you are just trying to become a content creator. So another one is video editing, Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro. So DaVinci, DaVinci is no, we can also make use of Cut. So you can also make use of YouTube channel again if you are looking for video editing stuff like that. So SEO tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, use use SEO. So you can make use of this one to get keywords like that, like search engine optimization, social media management, Pursuit and buffer and later. So this one will help you to post whenever you're not available. So plan, post scheduler. So that's what we call it. So by following all these steps, you can build a solid foundation as content creator and grow your presence in the digital world. So if you enjoy my video, can please subscribe to my channel, like you can share it. So if you really found this video helpful. So good day everyone.